If you spend a lot of time on auto repair or DIY projects that involve repetitive tightening or loosening of nuts and bolts, an impact wrench is a handheld tool that will save you a great deal of strain. Hi my friends and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I present you top 5 cordless impact wrench 2022. Before you start, subscribe to the channel and press the like button to be up to date with all the news. Let's begin. Number 5 in our top is from the DOWOX brand. Driven by a 900W higher efficiency brushless motor, this impact wrench outputs high torque of 740 Ft-lbs max fastening torque and 885 Ft-lbs breakaway torque, allowing you to fasten or loosen various nuts and bolts much more easily. Easily control the speed from 0-900 RPM, 0-1200 RPM and 0-1800 RPM to work properly. And each speed corresponds to fastening torque of 480 Ft-lbs, 590 Ft-lbs and 740 Ft-lbs for need in different occasions. The 4000 mAh capacity battery ensures run time almost twice longer than most of the wrenches. With a 2.3A fast charger, the battery can be fully charged within 2 hours. This power electric impact wrench with 1/2 foot chuck can be used for mid to heavy duty applications such as major construction projects, agriculture machinery, pickup trucks, automotive repairs. Number 4 in our top is from the VANQUE brand. On the hunt for the best cordless wrench? Then go for this VANQUE 20V 1/2 cordless impact wrench kit. The 2.0 Li-ion battery allows to stand up to 5 hours working longevity. No more worrying about power failure. Thanks to its brushless design, offers 2 times power than the traditional brushed motor, providing a long life operation and durability. The higher the drive size, the higher the torque. This is an excellent well-made construction and ultra-compact impact gun at only 7.67 inches long, allows for using it in tight spaces where bigger wrenches or regular tools simply will not fit. The tool has a one-hand operation trigger. You can control the speed of this automotive electric impact wrench from 0-3000 RPM for different needs. The further you push the switch, the higher the speed of the impact wrench. We continue with the number 3 that is part of the Lagatons brand. With a performance motor, this cordless impact wrench 553 Ft-lbs torque and max 2200 RPM speed, allows you to tighten or loosen various nuts and bolts easily. Not only suitable for unloading tires from cars, commercial vehicles, motorcycles and trailers, but also for car repairs, large construction projects, heavy equipment maintenance or product assembly. Compared with the traditional carbon brush motor, this brushless 1/2 impact gun will give you a better working experience. The brushless motor has longer use life, stronger motivation, smaller loss of battery energy, lower machine running noise level and much safer working conditions. This impact wrench 1/2 cordless equipped with 21V 2000 mAh 4.0 a high capacity lithium battery. A full charge takes about 2 hours and can be used continuously for 6 to 8 hours, enough for daily work. And the battery socket is the same as the Makita battery socket and can be replaced by each other. Number 2 in our top is from the SeeSii brand. The cordless impact wrench kits include impact driver machine, 2 PCS 4.0 AH battery pack and fast charger, 6 PCS impact sockets, 9 PCS impact drill, 6 PCS impact screws, 2 changeover heads, 1 portable strap, and carry box. SeeSii impact wrench kits provide most convenient and durable accessories to deal with any situation. SeeSii 21V impact wrench delivers for 79 Ft-lbs max torque, making it the most torque battery impact wrench on the market. You don't have to worry about not being able to control the speed accurately. There are 2 speed selection at the bottom of the wrench, which can help you work at the right occasion at the right speed to avoid damage to your work. SeeSii 21V impact wrench adopts high-efficiency brushless motors. The operation becomes more stable and stable. It provides 2-speed mode and up to 3,300 RPM. Saves your time and energy, suitable for tires removal, automotive repairs, and construction projects. Many professionals and DIYers are moving in the direction of brushless motors, enjoying a longer running time of 53.5% and a more efficient experience. And finally, the #1 product in our top is part of the KIMO brand. KIMO brushless battery impact wrench costs less heat, but delivers much more power. The impact wrench 1/2 inch provides maximum productivity when tightening or removing nuts, no smoking or spark. KIMO 1/2 square driver possess 3,000 Ft-lbs torque and 3,600 IPM, remove or tighten the nuts within seconds. Yield twice the result with half the effort when working. The impact gun is an absolute beast. KIMO electric impact wrench will protect nuts/bolts from falling or being damaged after being loosened. When in reverse mode, the brake stop will be active and will slow down the speed of the digital torque wrench. KIMO possess the newest chip technology of the battery, which brings the Lion battery of the impact gun 1/2 drive 25% longer runtime and extends its lifespan. Need not charge the power impact wrenches frequently anymore. Which cordless impact wrench would you like to buy for construction projects or automotive? Leave us a comment below. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. See you soon. Bye.